I would like to ask Lyman if he could take me to the lasagna volcano, since John refuses to do it.
Sure thing, Garfielf. I would like to take some wildlife photos. All right, Garfielf. I am going to take some wildlife photos. Please don't do anything bad.
Okay, he is distracted taking wildlife photos. Now it's time to blow up the lasagna volcano to get the gem.
Get him out of here!
What the fuck? You leave up to the volcano! That is if I am taking you to court! Garfield the fucking that is guilty for blowing up the lasagna volcano and flooded it with molten lasagna lava!
How can I do all of this?
I am so jealous that volcano Boomsfield ruined Lyman's day instead of mine.
Is he guilty?
Yes, he is guilty.
Well, we are correct! Garfield the cat going to have a long time jail for that shit for being guilty!
No one.
Finally, I can have a break from that scum.